What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've seen your guys' comments. I see them all the time. You guys want longer videos, and so today I'm gonna deliver. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different than normal. It's gonna be a little bit less editing, just a little bit more having fun. Now, we're heading to the airport. No, we're not jumping on a plane. We are actually taking our cars on a half-mile runway event. We're heading to the Spanish Fork Airport. We got a half a mile to go as fast as we can. But in this car, I'm not sure how fast we're gonna go. I'm guessing like 140, 150. Now, the name of this event is Wings and Wheels, which means there's actual airplanes doing stunts in the air. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there's supposed to be some pretty cool airplanes here. Now, right as I get out of the car, I find my buddies Todd and Jeeves arguing over who's got the loudest car. So Jeeves busts out the decibel reader. You just blasted Jeeves, but you know he loves that. You know he loves that stuff.
Put it down, bro. Jeez. Do it again. No, now that guy. Do it again. You're already that guy. Doesn't matter.
What again?
I think that's like 128. Decibel test. What are we doing? What do you think?
I bet I do 90.
Okay. Shoot, bro. 118.
118? Dang, Todd's only by 10? Hello, Chase.
Hey.
Wow. Geez, 918. That's a nice way to get to the track. We got an SF90. Oh, dang it. What's up? All right, we're doing our parade lap. We're going up and down the track to see kind of what the lay of the land is. But jeez Louise. All right, 128 decibels. Todd, that's your new nickname. 128. Gosh, there's so many sick cars out here. We got a bunch of people waiting to see what kind of speeds we're gonna put down. I'm really hoping we do 150. Todd, I wish you best of luck. Please do not crash. One thing that's also super nice about this year is the track has been completely repaved. Last year at the finish line, there was a little bit of a hump, so it kind of made you nervous when you're going top speed. We've also got the police out here. They're gonna be the ones giving us the official radar speed of how fast we're going. So they're sitting at the finish line.
Are you gonna race an airplane too?
Am I gonna race an airplane?
Yeah. Judd just raced an airplane. He had 204th gear.
In that?
Yeah, bro.
That just went 200 miles an hour?
204th gear.
Jeez.
Your turn, man.
How you feeling?
And I'm still fat.
Now, before we jump on the track, I feel like I should probably just make sure everything's good back. Jeez Louise. Now, if I remember right, I've got some of Hudson's stuff. I got Hudson's bag. Hudson was collecting rocks earlier, so we're gonna take a rock with us. Everything seems fine. We've got a baseball bat in case we need it. All right, we're almost to the starting line. I'm trying to decide if I launch this car. I'm nervous about breaking this car. In a half-mile event, I don't see the need to actually launch the car. I think that I've got plenty of space to get up some speed. I worry that it's just not worth launching, so I'm not gonna launch it, but I'm also gonna switch cameras. I'm gonna switch you guys to the GoPro. I gotta put a helmet on. All right, wish me luck.
Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Much, but I saw the speedometer say 147, so we'll see what the actual readout comes out to. But geez, it is hot out here. Transmission malfunction stop. That's not good. That's not good at all. Okay. We are gonna put our hazards on, and it's not good. Well, let me put it in gear, so I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, I just turned the car off. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. That is not good. Ugh. Guys, didn't we already talk about this? You gotta stop hanging out in the microwave. Guys, meat Factor. Now, if you're not familiar with Factor already, Factor makes it incredibly easy to hit your nutritional goals by delivering fresh, never frozen meals right to your doorstep, and they're ready in about 2 minutes. Now, I know I've shown you guys HelloFresh in the past. Now, the best part is HelloFresh actually owns factory, which means you're gonna get amazing meals delivered right to your door. Now, if you guys are like me, sometimes deciding what to eat comes down to two things. How much time do I have and what do I really want to eat? And oftentimes that's gonna lead to eating fast food or something unhealthy. Factor makes it super easy to pop on the website, choose your meals, and have them delivered right to your door. They can fit in whatever diet you're working on, or if you just wanna try something new, I recommend just giving it a shot. Now, not only is Factor cutting down on cooking times, but grocery trips as well, meaning I can be more efficient throughout the day. If I'm in a hurry, I need to get stuff done, I can pop in the microwave, I can heat it and I eat it, and I can continue with my day. Now, they also have things like smoothies and juices that are perfect for easy snacking. Now, guys, head to factor75.com or click the link in the description below and use code LukeTerry50 to save 50% off your first box. Now, let's go see what's wrong with my car. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. I can hear stuff, but I think it's just my brakes. I'm not totally sure what it is. Transmission malfunction, stop. Oh, we just got into gear. Release parking brake. Okay, we're at least moving. Well, I don't know what to say. It's I think it just had probably the fastest it's been in a long time. I bet with those tiny little tires on there, I bet it's probably just trying to figure out what's going on with those speeds, because it said we did 147. We're gonna turn off these hazards. The check engine light's still on, but the transmission is not, doesn't seem to be having any issues. How fast did I go?
Can I be honest with you?
Yeah.
We were all getting water right here.
What?
We were all getting water, and we.
What was the hazard?
The transmission went into like fault and went into neutral, and then I reset it.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, we were getting water, and we heard you go by. We're like, oh my gosh.
How fast did you go?
It said 147 on the dash. I don't know if that's accurate because the tire's pretty small up front.
Do another one. Do another one.
I gotta figure out what's wrong with the car. The car just like broke down. Let's see what we're working with. We brought our handy mechanic, Gabe.
Dude.
Did I blow it up?
Ooh, you smell that?
Ooh, smells like freaking winning.
Wendy's.
You know? So guys, I'm sitting here in line trying to decide, do I go again? Do I race the car again, and do I risk more issues? I feel like I got pretty fast. It said 147 on the dash. I don't know if that's completely accurate. I want to find out what my actual radar score was, or speed was. But I'm also sitting here saying, okay, the transmission's $17,000. Do I want to mess with it by going some pretty crazy speeds again? I want to find a code reader, clear this code to figure out exactly what the issue is, because this is not a fun feeling when you've got the pressure of all these people that want to see you go fast, but yeah, more to come. All right, let's reach under here. Where's this? Oh, that's the hood. Oh, come on. This is not a good angle. There it is. All right, doctor, give me the good news. What do we got?
We got
Catalyst system
that's just a cat
efficiency.
code.
That's just the engine. Can you read the transmission? Transmission fluid pressure. Is there two of them?
Yep, two of them.
Transmission fluid pressure. Transmission, I think we're good to go.
Yeah, just
Just clear it?
leave it. No, just leave it.
Leave it?
Go ahead and clear it.
Clear.
All right.
That means we're gonna run again. Yeah, baby. We're squeezing by everybody because I've been challenged. I've been challenged by this Lamborghini Gallardo. All right, Gabe's in the car because we're gonna drive to the starting line. But Gabe, who do you think's gonna win between me and Braden in the Gallardo?
You're gonna beat him.
I don't know. He did 143, and I think I did 147.
Your transmission's warmed up.
My transmission's ready to go. I hope.
Hey, you have a transmission light on or no?
Bro, we're good. Yeah.
He's lying, dude.
He's got a bunch. That almost sounded like your car. I was like, when'd you get turbos? All right, switching you guys back over to the GoPro because, well, I gotta race Braden in his Gallardo. Are we launching or not?
Let's just do a hard.
Just right when he drops his hands, we go hard, but no launch. All right, I don't want to break anything else. All right, here we go. Yep, and go. got a nice runway, but I'm just waiting for that transmission fault to come in. All right, let's see. We're gonna let it cool down. All right, so far the transmission is having no problems. All right, the speedometer said 148 miles per hour that time. So far we've got no transmission faults, no check engine lights. I didn't have it in sport traction. I wonder if that kind of had an issue with it last time, where maybe it was just too much pressure, because this car has so many modes. You can throw it in comfort, sport, sport plus, race. I probably should have had in race. I did the race in sport plus, but like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. We're just out here having fun, and I'm glad we haven't had any lights pop up. All right, I only got you by half a car, but I was blown away. The guard, I did not think the guard was gonna do that well.
I'll be honest, I didn't think so either.
I was actually quite surprised. It tells me two things. I gotta tune the car. Number two is I gotta tune the car.
Yeah, absolutely.
Time to tune the car, bro. Tune the car. Well, that's enough for me, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I gotta pick up Hudson. We're gonna go swimming. We're gonna go have some fun. I'll see you guys in the next video.